Thank you for joining the EWU Disability Support Services office for this tutorial on alternative testing accommodations. In this video, we will instruct faculty members on how the MyDSS faculty portal will be used to outline testing requirements, how to upload exams for students to take, and options for administering the exams. While alternative testing covers all quizzes, exams, midterms, finals, and any other test variation, we will use the term exam throughout this video. Once you log in to the MyDSS faculty portal, you will arrive at your overview page. To begin the alternative testing process, you will need to select the Alternative Testing tab on the left of the screen. This is highlighted in green. On the alternative testing page, you will be prompted with two options: to specify DSS exam proctor agreement, or that you are proctoring your own exam. The first option means that the student will be taking the exam in the DSS testing center and DSS staff will proctor the exam. The second option means that you will be proctoring the exam, whether it is during a class or arranged in an outside time frame. You should also select the second option if you or someone designated in your department will be proctoring the exam on your behalf. We will start by going over the process for DSS to proctor an exam. Please make sure that you have the correct course selected. Then select Continue to specify DSS exam proctor agreement below the course. You will be taken to the agreement we have for proctoring exams. A list of testing times is available on this screen as well. If a test needs to be taken outside of the hours, please contact the DSS office. In order to fill out the agreement, you will need to select the DSS Proctor Agreement link within the DSS Proctor Agreement description, which is a red link. I have highlighted that section in green. This will now take you to the actual agreement. The first question asks about how exams will be shared with DSS staff. We recommend the upload feature since it is the most secure and easiest to track. The second question asks about allowances for the exam and what students are allowed to use. Please be as specific as possible, as we will track what students utilize during the exam. If you have any requests for materials like notes or scratch paper to be collected, please include that in the additional note or comment section. Question 3 is an overview of the method of taking the test and if there are any technology requirements like having audio files, access to specific software, or other similar needs. Please note that certain specialized software may not be available in our office and may require additional time or arrangements to use. Question 4 goes over how a student can ask questions during the exam. If you are providing a phone number, we will not share that with the student, and we will place the call from one of our office phones. Question 5 is how we will return the exam. We always try to have exams returned the same day as they are administered. Question 6 is contact information for a TA if you utilize one, or other designee that may contact us about the exam. Question 7 is to develop contingency for time conflicts. Some students may not be able to take the exam at the same time as the class due to their course schedules. And question 8 is a list of all exams and dates as per the syllabus. This helps us keep track and helps students with scheduling needs. The next section is titled Exam Types and asks how much time is allotted to complete each type of exam. Please indicate the amount of time your class would normally get, and we will adjust the timing to include additional accommodation time. And the last section is additional information, which will ask you for your phone number and provides an opportunity to share any other information you have not been able to share elsewhere on the form. When you are done, you can click the Submit DSS Exam Proctor Agreement. This can be modified throughout the duration of the course. Once a student schedules a time with DSS, you will receive a notification stating so. The notification will include a link to upload the exam, which takes you to this page. The two main options here are to upload the exam and to provide exam instructions if you have additional instructions. To upload your exam, please click the Upload Exam link. This is highlighted in green. You will be directed to the File and Upload page. You can title the exam file note. The same exams for everyone drop-down menu will allow you to upload this one time for all students enrolled in your course and using alternative testing accommodations so that you don't have to repeat this step for each student. Word documents are preferred as they tend to work better with accessibility software. Once you upload the file, you'll be directed back to the previous page. You can also upload exam instructions. This prompts a single text box to provide any specific instructions. If something is altered from the original agreement, such as a different amount of time, or if there are other things to note for the student taking the exam, maybe there is a model kit included, please include them here. Once you have done this, the student is set to have their exam proctored by DSS. Now we're going to go back and provide information about faculty members who want to proctor their own exam. As a reminder, this option can be selected once you enter the alternative testing window by selecting the tab on the left side of the page. The option for proctoring your own exam is now highlighted in green. You will need to select the appropriate class, and then the type will let you pick between I will proctor my own exams or this course does not have exams. This will stop students from scheduling exams for this course in the DSS office and redirect them to the faculty. If you select the course does not have any exams option, that notification will also be shared with the student. If you need to make an exception to proctoring your own exam, or if you have included tests after all, please contact the DSS office for options so we can update the information in the system. Thank you for joining us for the alternative testing tutorial. For more information or specific questions, please contact the DSS office.